Hello everyone. In the last video, I have explained about while loop. In this video, I am going to explain about for loop. A for loop is a repetition control structure that allows you to efficiently write a code that needs to be executed for a specific number of times. It will execute a sequence of statements in multiple times until the condition is satisfied. If the condition is satisfied, it will end the for loop, then it will go to the next statements. Here the syntax for loop is given: for initialization, then condition, increment, then statements. Here the initialization steps takes place, then the condition, then it will execute the statements, then it will go to the increment. Like this it will work. In the initialize step, it will initialize the variables. In the next step, that is condition, the condition will be evaluated. If it is true, the body of the loop will be executed. If it is false, then it will go to the next statements after the for loop. Then the statements within the for loop will be executed. Then the increment will happen. Like this it will work. Let us see the flow diagram of the for loop. Here we can see by this loop, in it, that is initialize, it will initialize the variables with some values. Then it will check for the condition. If the condition is true, then it will execute the code of block within the for loop. Then it will increment. Then it will go to the condition again. Like this it will execute. If the condition is false, it will go to the next statements after the for loop. Let us execute a block of code with respect to for loop and see how it will work. Let us take for, let us initialize the value of a as 15 and then condition $a less than 25, then the increment statement incr a. Let us write the statement. Let's see what it will return. Here we can see the initialization statement. It will initialize the value of a as 15. So here we set the value of a as 15. Then it will check for the condition. As the condition $a less than 25 is true, it is executing the statement. Value of a is 15. Then it will increment. Then the value of a becomes 16. Then the, the condition will be checked. As the condition is true, it is going to execute like this. It is incrementing, then executing, incrementing, then executing. Like this it will happen until the condition is true. Here, as after 24, it is incrementing to 25. The condition is not satisfied, so it is not executing. If we have given a statement after this, let us see what it will give. there is a problem with the server in the online compiler, so I have executed the code in the command prompt. Here we can see it set the value, then it will execute like this. Let us run this. So it is giving the value of a as 25. Like this it will execute. So yeah, here we can see the value of a is incremented until 24. As the value becomes 25, the condition becomes false. So as the condition is not satisfied, it is going to the next statements after the for loop. So here I have given print value of a is $a. So it is printing the value of a is 25. This is how it will work. This is the flow. First it will initialize the value, then it will check for condition, then it will execute the statement, then it will increment, then it repeats the process until the condition becomes false. If the condition is not satisfied means it will go to the next statements. Like this it will work. In the next video I will explain about nested loops. Try to practice more examples so you will get clear idea on each and every topic.